The OWNONE Drift Car Kit offers an exhilarating drift experience with its four powerful Black Furious motors and L-shaped motor, allowing for precise control and multiple driving modes. This building kit is designed to replicate the intricate details of the APIE supercar, featuring air intakes, gull-wing doors, spoilers, rear wings, and a diffuser, all with a stunning electroplated gradient color finish. Crafted from high-quality materials, the bricks in this kit are stable and easy to press, and the package includes extra parts to ensure you do not miss any components during assembly. The OWNONE Drift Car Kit is an ideal gift for car enthusiasts and those who enjoy challenging projects, offering a rewarding building experience with detailed step-by-step instructions. This impressive 110 scale supercar measures 20 inches in length, 9.7 inches in width, and 5.1 inches in height, making it a standout display piece. Included in the package are 2,036 pieces, 4 Black Furious motors, 1 L-shaped motor, 1 rechargeable battery, and a comprehensive instruction manual.